Hello everyone. Your normal blackboard is about to evolve into something far more interesting and far more amazing. And that's not all. In fact, your teaching is also going to evolve into something more fun. So, are you curious? Great. Then let me show you the whiteboard of Samsung WAC interactive display. First, tap either on the left or right side and it will open a toolbar. Let me show you where it is, right here. This is the toolbar. Now once you have it open, you can see the note right here. We click on it and this opens note. Now once you have tapped on note, you have the whiteboard open. I can change the color also, so let me go to the menu right here and change the theme of the whiteboard. The background that we need is say white in this case, so I'm going to select that. Then I will just go ahead and make it a full screen whiteboard right here. This is a fascinating new tool for teaching your students. Forget all the boring traditional blackboards. This one is complete with so many tools that will make learning and understanding so much fun. I mean, just look at all these options right here and I will walk you through them and I will explain each one of them to you one by one. Now let us start with selection. Selection right here is a tool that will help you realign anything on the board. So for example, if I have say written something, let's write something right here. So I've written this and I can select, press on selection right here. I can highlight this, select this, and it will give me an option to move it or realign it anywhere that I want. And you can do this with anything on the whiteboard right here. Now, if you tap on right, which is right here, and a small arrow right here, you will get different options of writing. You will get different writing tools. You can have a pen, a paintbrush, a pencil, anything that you want along with your colors right here. So you can choose different colors also. You can increase the thickness of the brush and you can do anything that you want with this. Next, you have the eraser. It will help you erase anything on the board. But you know what? I will let you in on a little secret. You can erase anything by just using your palm, just like this. So either you can do this or either you can just select the eraser right here and it will do the same. Now next you have the clean feature. This will wipe out everything on the board. You will have a fresh slate to begin with. Let me just demonstrate. So let's just write something here. And now if I want a clean slate, I will just go ahead and press on clean. That's it. Now next you have the ruler. This gives you different options for mathematical tools. Pick the one that you need. Let's see how this works. So we have to press on ruler right here. We select this. You can bring it anywhere you want. You can expand it. You can make it smaller. You can rotate it the way you want to. And whenever you want to, use this to draw lines and have those angles, you can select the angle that you want and just press on this. And it will give you the angle that you need. Now next is the form. This is a sort of a table. It helps you keep things organized. How do we use it? Let me just show it to you. We press here. You select the kind of form that you want. You press insert. And with the help of your finger right here, you can move it wherever you want to. So I can just, place it right here and use it, delete it, do whatever I want with it. In the meantime, we can cancel this out. And you have all the rest of the things right here. We press on clean. Now next, there is the mind map. If you want to make a flowchart diagram explaining a concept in a better way, then this is your tool. Let me just show it to you as well. You press on mind map right here and you get your mind map right here. You can customize it, you can write text, you can do whatever you want with this. And now you have the note. The note is for writing down any notes or remarks that you have on the side. Maybe you want to, keep it handy on the side. So let's just see how that works as well. You press on note right here and you can just type whatever you want. You can select OK and the note is going to go there and be saved just like that. The next option is move that you see right here. Now what is move? You can use this to move around the entire screen. In fact, once you do move screen, you will realize that this board just goes on and on because it is infinitely long. How do we do this? You select move right here and then you can pinch in or you can pinch out and it will give you the kind of scale that you want on your board. You can see the magnification is right here, so you can understand how big this board can be. Now the next is grid. This gives you the lines to help you write on the board. Remember those lines in your notebooks? Just like that. Let me show you how this works. You select grid, you select selection, you bring it say right here, you go back to right, I select right here, and I go ahead and I write something say on this, and there you go, just like this. Now if you have made a mistake, there's always an undo it option, which is right here, just like this. And also similarly, if you have deleted anything by mistake, there is also a redo option, which is right here. Now, isn't all of this very interesting? It's not an ordinary board, but then again, if you want something great, you have got to have the most amazing tools with you, isn't it? Well, this is why Samsung designed the interactive display to transform education. Going forward, it will redefine how you interact and teach your students. And thank you so much for watching this video. This is the end of it.